Are you ready to take your MS Excel skills to the next level? Our advanced online course on MS Excel is designed for professionals who want to master Excel and use it to streamline their business processes. Our Introduction to Excel module will teach you the fundamentals of working with spreadsheets, so you can navigate the Excel interface with ease. Our module on MS Excel functions will teach you advanced techniques for data analysis and manipulation. Our VBA and macros module will teach you how to write and edit code, and how to create and run macros to automate repetitive tasks. Finally, our practical case study on how to use functions and macros to build automated programs in MS Excel will help you apply your knowledge to real-life business scenarios. Our course includes videos, PDF files, and exams to test your knowledge and ensure you're on track to mastering MS Excel. And after you successfully complete the final exam, we'll issue you a certificate to showcase your advanced MS Excel skills. Don't miss this opportunity to take your MS Excel skills to the next level and streamline your business processes. Sign up for our advanced online course on MS Excel today.